Quoi c'est beau? Brave Gede. À tout temps, yo poko ouais moins mauvais temps parler. Au moins dit brave Gede. À tout temps, yo poko ouais moins mauvais temps parler. La pluie pas tombée, terre a glissé. La pluie pas tombée, terre a glissé là, me dit brave Gede. Mais tout temps, yo poko ouais ou mauvais temps parler.
Brave Gede, à tout temps, yo poko ouais mauvais temps parler.
On Saturday, November 7th, which was my birthday, I was invited to an amazing event that took place virtually with Société Nago. From Portia Jefferson, my mentor, she invited me to a virtual ceremony of Fet Gede. So we had the opportunity to experience this dance and song and music and culture in one full event. Normally this takes place in the community. This time it was online, and I was amazed from the beginning with Priye. Then it moved into ceremony, seeing members of Société Nago be there, be present for one another, watching the moves and the music and the song and the Priye, the prayers being said. It filled my heart. I was so fortunate to be a part of that. I would not have had this experience if Portia hadn't invited me to that. What I also took from this experience is how so much of the dance and song and music are a part of the prayers, are a part of the ancestor reverence that was taking place, how all of these things are so intertwined. I cannot wait to experience this again, and definitely cannot wait to experience it live. One of the things I hope for myself along the way in my journey of being a part of this apprenticeship is that I get more of these opportunities just like this, and also that I will take with me into my classes, into my walk of life, all of the things that I've learned along the way. So thank you, thank you, thank you.
Moi dis bravo.